mga ka-query, Ramadan Mubarak po sa lahat. Today, I will be guiding you on how to set an appointment in VFS using their new platform. So let's just open our browser. I-type po sa search bar ang vc.tashir.com. Para sa mga batikan na applicants ng VFS, ito na po yung bagong website ng VFS Tashil. Save niyo po ito for your future reference. Ayan, so this time pipili po tayo kung saan tayong bansa manggagaling or mag-a-apply. Pag visit visa applicants, take note of this po kasi as long as nasa list yung country na iyan, it means you can also apply from that specific country as long as may valid visa ka sa country na iyon. Halimbawa, may valid visa ka sa Bahrain. Pwede ka mag-apply via Bahrain provided na ang nakalagay sa MOFA approval mo ay Manama Bahrain at hindi Makati Alphaland. For resident visa applicants naman na Filipino passport holders, Philippines po yung pipiliin natin kasi yun lang po yung allowed na panggagalingan natin. Now, you can choose po the language kung saan ka mas comfortable. Itong prompt na ito, you can just click OK para i-close siya, but it's an information regarding the validity ng visa, number of entries, at duration kung saan ito ay magiging ayon sa desisyon ng Saudi Embassy. Ito naman ay tungkol sa office hours nila which is from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Nakasaad din dito na sila ay tumatanggap na ng cash or debit or credit card as a payment method. Let's click the OK button and proceed on the application. Click Schedule the Appointment. Itong prompt na ito is just to make the applicants aware na maaari ka pong mag-apply ng visa without the need of going to VFS Alphaland dahil sila mismo ang pupunta sa bahay nyo para i-process yung visa application at biometrics niyo. But take note po, ang service na ito is currently available lang po sa mga nasa Manila. If interested ka po, just send them an email on this address. Ito naman is an instruction kung paano mo marireprint yung appointment letter mo, which is by clicking the Reprint Appointment tab. Let's start na po. I suggest sabayan mo po ako, and don't worry po, I will make this video extra slow and no voice para mas makapag-focus po kayo sa application. If you have questions or recommendations, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. As you can see, we have a lot of options here. If you prefer another date, just click this arrow at the upper right. Dito mo rin makikita ang minimum na babayaran mo if naka-normal or lunch ka po. Pag resident visa, automatic po na yan po exactly yung babayaran mo. Mag-iiba lang po if visit visa dahil sa insurance nila na ina-avail sa day na yon. In this section, dito mo po i-click if need nyo po na magpa-notify via SMS or if magpapa-deliver po kayo. If for pick up ka po, no need to click anything, just click this confirm and book button. So finally, we have a confirmed appointment. Now, the next issue is, paano ba i-print yung form? Again, this prompt po is an instruction on how to reprint the form in case hindi mo na-print nung una. Let's click OK to close this tab. Minsan po hindi nag-work yung password na binibigay ni Tashir, although ang password naman is your first name and last name lang. Still, nagkaka-error pa rin po. So what you can do is just click the image. If naka-laptop po kayo, right-click po sa mouse at may lalabas na print. I-print nyo po yan as PDF. Pag naka-mobile naman po, i-long press lang yung image at may lalabas rin po na print option. May iba naman po na device na magsuscroll down lang at may option na lalabas sa bandang baba na print option. So don't worry po if hindi gumagana ang password. We have many ways to print it. Ayun lang po mga ka-query. Have a blessed Ramadan. Bye!